Welcome to today's video, where we explore one of the most innovative solutions for tomorrow's growing population: vertical farming skyscrapers. Imagine towering buildings in the heart of our cities, not filled with offices, but with lush greenery and fresh food production. These futuristic farms could solve food shortages, reduce transportation costs, and bring sustainability closer to urban life. Stay with us as we uncover how these skyscrapers can reshape our future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more exciting insights. Number 5. Space saving. One of the biggest advantages of vertical farming skyscrapers is their ability to save space while producing large amounts of food. Traditional farming requires vast areas of land, which is becoming increasingly scarce as cities expand and populations grow. Vertical farming, on the other hand, stacks crops in multiple layers inside tall buildings, making use of vertical space that would otherwise remain unused. This method allows cities to grow food right where people live, without needing to clear forests or use distant farmlands. By growing upward instead of outward, vertical farms can produce the same or even greater crop yields compared to traditional farming, but on a fraction of the land. This approach is especially important for future cities where space is one of the most limited resources. Skyscraper farms could be built in dense urban centers, near residential areas, or even integrated into existing high-rise structures. This not only reduces the pressure on rural lands, but also brings food production closer to consumers, lowering transportation costs and environmental impact. Ultimately, space-saving vertical farming provides a practical solution to feed growing urban populations, while preserving natural ecosystems and making cities more sustainable. Number 4. Fresh supply. One of the greatest advantages of vertical farming skyscrapers is their ability to provide a fresh and steady supply of food directly within cities. Traditional farming often requires crops to be transported long distances before reaching urban markets, which not only increases costs, but also reduces freshness and nutritional value by the time the produce arrives. With vertical farming, vegetables, fruits, and herbs can be grown right in the heart of the city, sometimes even within walking distance of consumers. This ensures that food harvested in the morning could be on store shelves or restaurant tables the very same day. Such proximity also reduces the need for preservatives or extensive packaging, making the food healthier and more environmentally friendly. Additionally, the ability to grow food year-round regardless of external weather conditions guarantees a consistent supply, avoiding shortages that might occur due to droughts, floods, or transportation issues. For densely populated urban areas where space is scarce, this method not only strengthens food security but also fosters a more sustainable urban lifestyle. By bridging the gap between farm and fork, vertical farming skyscrapers truly redefine what fresh supply means for future cities. Number 3. Eco-friendly. Vertical farming skyscrapers are considered eco-friendly because they significantly reduce the environmental impact of traditional agriculture. One of the biggest advantages is the reduction in transportation emissions. In conventional farming, crops are often grown hundreds or even thousands of miles away from the cities where they are consumed. This requires trucks, ships, and planes to transport food, which increases carbon emissions. Vertical farms, however, are located within urban centers, meaning food is grown right where it is eaten, cutting down on fuel consumption and air pollution. Another eco-friendly aspect is water conservation. Traditional farming uses massive amounts of water, much of which is wasted due to runoff or evaporation. Vertical farming relies on advanced techniques like hydroponics and aeroponics, which use up to 90% less water while recycling it within the system. Additionally, skyscraper farms eliminate the need for harmful pesticides and chemicals, since crops grow in controlled environments that protect them from pests and diseases. This not only reduces pollution, but also produces cleaner, healthier food. By combining reduced emissions, water efficiency, and chemical-free farming, vertical farming skyscrapers represent a sustainable solution that aligns with the growing demand for eco-conscious living in future cities. Thanks for watching this video on vertical farming skyscrapers and their role in feeding future cities. The future of sustainable living is closer than we think, and your support helps us share more knowledge. Stay tuned for more fascinating topics. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Number 2. Tech-driven. Vertical farming skyscrapers rely heavily on advanced technology to function efficiently and sustainably. At the core of these systems are AI-powered monitoring tools and smart sensors that constantly track plant health, nutrient levels, temperature, humidity, and light exposure. This precise data collection allows farmers to make real-time adjustments, ensuring crops grow under optimal conditions with minimal waste. Hydroponics and aeroponics. Soil-free farming methods are often used where plants receive nutrients directly through water or mist. This approach not only conserves resources, but also eliminates many traditional farming challenges, such as pests or soil degradation. LED lighting, designed to mimic the exact spectrum of sunlight needed for photosynthesis, further boosts plant growth while reducing energy consumption. Automated robotics also play a role, handling tasks such as planting, harvesting, and packaging, which reduces labor costs and increases consistency in production. Together, these technological innovations enable vertical farming skyscrapers to produce higher yields, faster growth cycles, and healthier crops compared to conventional agriculture. By integrating smart systems and automation, these futuristic farms demonstrate how cities can harness technology to secure reliable, local, and sustainable food sources for growing urban populations. Number 1. Future cities. Future cities are expected to be high-tech, densely populated, and environmentally conscious, and vertical farming skyscrapers can play a vital role in meeting their food demands. As urban populations continue to grow, traditional farmland cannot keep pace with the rising consumption. But vertical farming allows food to be grown directly inside cities, ensuring a constant and reliable supply. By integrating hydroponics, aeroponics, and controlled environments into tall structures, these farms can produce fresh vegetables, fruits, and herbs year-round, regardless of weather or climate challenges. This localized production reduces reliance on long-distance transportation, lowering carbon emissions and preserving freshness for consumers. Additionally, vertical farming skyscrapers can be powered by renewable energy and optimized with artificial intelligence to monitor crop health, nutrient levels, and growth cycles, ensuring maximum efficiency with minimal waste. Beyond food production, these futuristic farms can become symbols of sustainability, blending greenery with modern architecture to improve air quality and provide healthier living spaces. In essence, vertical farming skyscrapers represent more than just agriculture. They embody the idea of self-sufficient urban ecosystems, where cities themselves become capable of feeding their growing populations while protecting the planet's resources. Thanks for watching this video on vertical farming skyscrapers and their role in feeding future cities. The future of sustainable living is closer than we think, and your support helps us share more knowledge. Stay tuned for more fascinating topics. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.